In this session, let us learn about Python MongoDB find. Find one. In MongoDB, we use the find and find one methods to find data in a collection. Just like the select statement is used to find data in a table in a MySQL database. To select data from a collection in MongoDB, we can use the find underscore one method. The find underscore one method returns the first occurrences in the selection. Find the first document in the customer's collection. See here, now we are find one collection from customer. See, ID is equal 1, name, Jyoti, address, highway, colony. Find all. To select data from a table in MongoDB, we can also use the find method. The find method returns all occurrences in the selection. The first parameter of the find method is a query object. In this example, we use an empty query object which selects all documents in the collection. No parameters in the find method gives you the same result as select in MySQL. See here, return all documents in the customer's collection and print each document. See here, now we are printing each document. Everything they printed. Name, see here, 1 to 14 all printed. Return only some fields. The second parameter of the find method is an object describing which fields to include in the result. This parameter is optional, and if you omitted, all fields will be included in the result. See the example, return only the name and address, not the IDs. See here, IDs are not printed, only name and address was printed by giving ID 0, name 1, address 1. You are not allowed to specify both 0 and 1 values in the same object, except if one of the field is the ID field. If you specify a field with a value 0, all other fields get the value 1 and vice versa. See here, this example will exclude address from the result. See address not printed, only name and IDs were printed. You get an error if you specify both 0 and 1 values in the same object, except if one of the field is the ID field. See here, it generates the error, nothing printed. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5 Python MongoDB find. Next video let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB query. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.